In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add category pages in Wix blog. We'll walk through the process step by step, making it easy for you to organize your blog by creating and managing categories effectively. Let's get started. First, we're going to discuss how you can create categories for your blog. Begin by navigating to your Wix dashboard. Once you're there, go to the blog section and then click on Categories. Here, you'll want to click on the button that says plus Create Category. This is where you can give your new category a name, which is essentially its label. Be thoughtful about this, as it will help your readers navigate through your content more efficiently. Along with the name, you can also add a description for the category. This is useful for giving context or detailing what kind of posts will fall under this category. Additionally, you have the option to include an image for the category, which can help in visual recognition and make your blog aesthetically appealing. Don't forget to fill in any SEO fields provided. This will help boost your blog's visibility on search engines, potentially attracting more readers. Now that you have your categories set up, it's time to assign posts to them. As you are creating or editing a blog post, look for the Settings or Categories tab within the post editor. You'll see the option to choose which category or categories your post belongs to. Wix allows you to select up to 10 categories for a single post, giving you flexibility in organizing your content. It's important to select relevant categories for each post to ensure that your readers can easily find related content based on their interests. For those who want to guide their audience through categories more visibly, adding a category menu to your blog is a great option. To do this, head to the Wix editor and navigate to the page where you'd like the category menu to appear, usually your blog page. Click on Add Elements, then Blog, and from there select Category Menu. Simply drag and drop the menu to your desired location on the page. Once your category menu is in place, you can customize its design and settings. You might want to adjust the layout to match your blog's theme or decide how many categories to display. The customization options ensure that your category menu fits seamlessly into your blog's design while providing easy navigation for your visitors. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding category pages to your Wix blog. With these steps, you can manage your blog categories efficiently, enhance user experience, and potentially draw a larger audience through improved SEO. Happy blogging! And I hope these tips help you organize your content better.